Okay, motor video series update. This is a new head for the motor I have. It looks pretty much identical to the old one. It's pretty much identical setup. This one, mine was pretty well shot. I asked the guy at work that had the other unit, and this is what he gave me. Said he wasn't going to use it, so somehow he still had it. Springs look in good shape. Brushes, there's one nick in that one of the other ones wore out, I think. And between these two, I swapped the brushes around. I should have a working shroud and brush setup. So I'm hoping this will work. I think I'm going to take the brushes out. This is pretty standard on a motor. It's just a flat screw head. Sometimes they're recessed. This case it's just a nut. And then there's no rotor in here, so they just kind of sit there. And I'm going to prepare to get, right now I'm preparing this to receive the rotor. And then I'll put the old motor back together, and then I'll test it. Probably with the good brushes, at least what to look like the best brushes. And I'm hoping this will fix my issue. Brush shrouds look clean inside. I don't really see any issues here. What I'm going to do is quick check the continuity. You need to strip the wires. I'm using an automatic wire stripper. This is probably one of my favorite tools. Sometimes these wire cloth type, not really cloth, but rubbery type wires don't strip the best. So, ohm meter. I don't know what wire is what here, so I'm going to do a little trial and error. Nothing. That should be nothing. Power. 0, good on the brush shroud. 0, good on the brush shroud. That means the springs are good. That is the negative wire. The positive wire on mine was shot. So positive should be this one. Actually, no, this one. Good. 0. This one, good, 0. So this head looks like it'll help me a lot. So now I'm going to try and put the motor back together and see what I can get. I'm also going to look at the brushes. This is kind of what a brush usually looks like. It's got a curve in it, kind of a concave shape. This one seems to be in decent shape. This one's got a gouge out of it in the corner there, so this one may be okay, but I don't really like that. This one's about toasted. It's kind of ground off at an angle. That's not right. This one's all chewed up. I don't like the looks of that, so there's one good brush here. This brush out of mine looks decent. This brush out of mine, I don't see any issue with. This one looks fine. This one looks fine. So it looks like I might have one spare brush, and I have a bunch of spare caps, I guess, in case I lose them if I decide to keep those. Anyway, I'm going to try and put the motor back together. I'm going to do a test, then I'll probably do another video once I do that.